Okay, people, first off, happy Blue Year. Now, I want to do a country fried steak. I haven't been doing any breakfast items, so let's do some country fried steak. Now, the other day, we went out to breakfast and I ordered a country fried steak. And one thing I noticed, because I have restaurants as well, a lot of these food distributors, they bring you, fried goods that's already fried, frozen. All you have to do is put it in the grease. But when we went to breakfast, I noticed, for one, my country fried steak was about this small. Now, when it's made from scratch, a country fried steak is 3 times that size. And I can tell that it was frozen. So I really didn't like it. The gravy was sweet. When it comes to the gravy, I like breakfast sausage in my gravy, like if you're putting it over biscuits. So I'm gonna recreate country fried steak. Of course, I'll be using Bleu Magic all-purpose fry batter. And do you like country fried steak? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now first, I like home fries. I like it when they put my country fried steak over the home fries with the gravy, so the home fries can get some of that gravy. So what we're gonna do, I have some fingerling potatoes, yellow fingerlings. I'm gonna throw them in the fryer. I'm also gonna saute some bell pepper and onions after they're finished, toss it in my Cajun seasoning, and then we'll move on to the gravy. All right, so let's throw these potatoes. Gonna let them fry at about 325 for about 10 to 13 minutes. While those fry, let's make our gravy. Okay, now let's make our gravy for our country fried steak. I use sage flavored breakfast sausage. Put that in there. We're gonna cook this down. Then we're gonna add our butter and our seasonings plus our flour. We're basically making a gravy for country fried steaks, or biscuits and gravy. Is basically a bechamel sauce. If you don't know what that is, butter, flour, milk. All right, so you wanna brown your meat down as much as you can. I hate when I get biscuits and gravy or country fried steak with the sausage, and the sausage is big. I hate that shit. We got that down. Now, instead of me discarding the breakfast sausage and, putting the butter in, I'm just gonna put it in with the sausage. It's okay. As soon as this butter melts, we're gonna add in our seasonings plus our flour, which is tablespoon of chicken bouillon, tablespoon of onion powder, and about 4 tablespoons of flour. So now that our butter is down, let's add our seasonings and our flour. Now let's add our milk. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk because I don't want it too thick. So let's go 1 3/4 cups, and that should be cool. All right, our potatoes are done. All right, now we're gonna saute our veggies, a little bit of olive oil. I have red, green bell pepper, onion. Just gonna throw them in there. Just let the skillet get hot a little bit. Right here, this is my Cajun seasoning, chicken bouillon, onion powder, smoked paprika, Old Bay, garlic powder. This is what we're gonna toss our potatoes in. All right, let's add our veggies. Let those cook for a couple of minutes. right, I like to get a nice little char on my veggies. I'm gonna toss our potatoes, this bowl, toss our veggies in there. All right, we got our Bleu Magic all-purpose fry batter. We got our wet batter, and we got our dry. This is the size of a steak for country fried steak. I swear when I went, it was about that, it was like that big. No, so this is how big you want it. Now, let's get this going. And then when you're frying it, especially the way I'm doing it, it's gonna get even bigger. Get that in there. Remember to press down. So I'm gonna use these as a garnish. These are my sweet pea shoots. I grow them myself. They're real easy to grow. They are kind of difficult to get where I live. So I just start growing my own shit. And I'm gonna start showing y'all when I get my other grow together, how to grow your own microbes. So let's get a couple of these off of here. All right, now let's plate this up. Potatoes down first. Our country fried steak down.
Country, got you crazy.
Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. You're gonna need a knife with that. I don't know what you're trying to do with the fork.
Why you didn't give me a knife? Cut. Oh, yeah, it's blended in.
Blind ass.
I actually can see.
So she claims to never have really had country fried steak, but I order this every time we go to breakfast. And she always gets a bite, so you had it.
I'm just saying, like, it's not something I go to breakfast and order.
Get some potatoes.
It's nighttime and we having breakfast?
They don't know it's nighttime. You just told them. Oh, they can see. Fire.
That's delicious.
Mm-hmm. Cut me a piece. And yes, the breakfast sausage, unfortunately, is pork. Now,
sorry.
If we put this on the menu at Court Cafe in LA and Las Vegas.
Oh my God. I'm not even bullshitting.
That's why I only order this shit when we go out.
But see, I be trying. You just said, you know,
I want red velvet waffles. I want Polish sausage.
Think about it. The breakfast places we be going to be mediocre, so I don't want to order something like this and then I'm mad.
That's my bite.
Yeah. That's a big bite.
Come on, fuck it.
You got it. That shit fire. Listen, this is what. I know y'all can't taste this right now, but this is what your gravy is supposed to taste like. He could tell you, I do not like gravy. I hate gravy, but this shit right here, busted.
Fire.
Not too salty. It don't taste like no burnt skillet.
Man, oh God. Hey, should we put this on the menu at Court Cafe, LA and Las Vegas? Let us know in the comments. Bleu Magic is in stock. Get yours today, okay? You have anything else to say before we go?
My nigga, enjoy.
My nigga, enjoy.